Buongiorno, amici. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of delightful coffee creations. Today, we have a special treat for you, the refreshing Italian Shakerato. The Italian Shakerato, known for its invigorating and icy nature, is a coffee beverage that's perfect for those hot summer days. But did you know that there are some unknown facts about this delightful drink? Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the Italian Shakerato that will leave you amazed. Let's start with the origins of the Shakerato. This refreshing coffee concoction has its roots in Italy, where it became popular in the 1990s. It was initially created as a way to cool down and enjoy coffee during the scorching summer months. The Shakerato gained popularity for its unique preparation method and the ability to transform a simple shot of espresso into a chilled and revitalizing treat. One of the defining aspects of the Italian Shakerato is the shaking technique used to create its unique texture. After brewing a shot of espresso, it is poured into a cocktail shaker filled with ice. The barista then vigorously shakes the shaker to blend the espresso with the ice, creating a frothy and chilled texture. This process not only cools down the coffee but also adds a velvety mouthfeel to the Shakerato. Did you know that the Italian Shakerato is not limited to just traditional coffee flavors? While the classic version is made with a simple shot of espresso, it's also common to find variations that incorporate additional flavors and ingredients. From a touch of vanilla syrup to a dash of chocolate or even a hint of liqueur, the Shakerato allows for creative experimentation. These flavor additions elevate the experience and offer a personalized twist to this refreshing coffee delight. One fascinating fact about the Italian Shakerato is that it provides a delightful alternative to traditional iced coffee. While iced coffee is typically brewed with hot water and then cooled down, the Shakerato is made using the espresso shot directly, ensuring a bold and concentrated flavor. The Shakerato's unique preparation method and the use of chilled espresso result in a distinct taste profile that captivates coffee enthusiasts looking for a bolder and more intense iced coffee experience. That wraps up our exploration of the Italian Shakerato and its lesser-known facts. We hope you've discovered something new and are inspired to try this revitalizing coffee delight. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.